Okay, in this video, we're going to go over how to connect the email templates that you should have created. If you have not, you can go back and watch the other videos about how to create a signed contract email template and create a received contract email template. But I'm going to show you how to connect those to the contract or document that you would like these emails to go out for. So, and these emails go out automatically as well too. So this will be part of the automation as well too. So let's see, if we go to the menu on the left-hand side, we're going to click on payments. And at the top on the tabs, we're going to go to documents and contracts. You can click on all documents and contracts. What we need to get to is the settings. So on the right-hand side, if you see my cursor moving, you'll see settings. We're going to click on settings, and then over on the left-hand side, you'll see where it says customer notifications. It's highlighted in orange here. All right, so the only things that we will really need to do, and now actually, let me just go back and explain what these sections here are for. So for your customer notifications, this is really what we're updating. You have your configure email sender, and this is just to put a name and an email address for the for sending all the customer notifications. So if you want to customize that, that's fine, for it to show up on the receiving party's end. So your client or a customer, or what have you, whoever is getting your email, you can put in your name, your specific email address, whichever have you. And for the document received, this is for the template used to send the document. So make sure that you're paying attention to this part right here. So the email template that we're selecting will be the test sign contract. Okay. I know it's a little confusing right here because it says document received, but this is for whenever you are sending the document out and we need them to sign it. So test sign contract will be what you need to insert right here, the part where you're trying to get them to sign the contract. Okay. And down here will be and you can toggle whether you want to send this out or not. And let me go back to the email subject line. For the email subject line, this is the information that'll be inside the email subject line that'll be sent out. The location name will be your business name, and then the document name will be the name of the document that's going out. You can put custom values here as well too. You can add any of that type of information here as well too. So if you want to even change the information on the email subject line, that's how you would do that. So if you want to put their name, you can go to contact, do full name, first name, last name. If you want their phone number, company address, all that stuff is on here. If you want to put like the date, the year, the month, all of that will be in this section right here. If you can't find it here, just use your search bar up there at the top. Okay, so after the document has been signed, this is when you would change this to test, well, whichever you named it as. We named this one as test received contract. So if you want to send this out, make sure this toggle is on to the right, and this will be the same convention down here as well too, just like it was above. It just says signed at the end. Location name again will be your business. Document name is the name of the document or contract that this will be attached to. And then you have your custom values again here that you can add as well. Excuse me. And once again, I just want to go back over this part about the document signed. I know this says document signed, and then we have the test received contract. But remember the description here that says template is used when the document has been successfully signed and accepted by the recipient. Okay, so we make sure that we have the received contract or document, or whatever you named your email template as before, make sure that if this is the email template that you're sending out, whenever the client has signed or accepted the document, that's the email that will go out. Okay, so when you're done, you'll hit save.